Samido no arathi na mbere na tour yake outside the country kuria maju na nitukoretwo tukimuona agika show. He's in UK, he's supposed to go even to the US. Hena show mafagite a lineup of shows mena kuria Joyce wa Mama and other Mugithi artists and team yao na nimakoretwo magichatisha among the things that makoretwo magika kuria nitukoretwo tukiona ona mafans a kuria maju a Kenya ono ni maratabura one time because nearly all the shows iria koretwo agika tumekuwa tukisikia crowds wakishout one time. Kodo ginya turonire ginya mundu wa kuhura marefe akinini one time akidance akinini akipiga drum set yo nini ya Ruto must go. Now you could all see what is happening in there, but Samido is doing a good show. Nie jugaga nejigwa wega muno ndona muini wa Mugithi agithie tour outside Kenya. Oria nturigite kuona DJ Dibul mena Tony Young mathiete Germany. Many artists wamekuwa kienda Waithaka wa Jane was in Germany and where was it? Na maundu macio ni matuma mundu one Mugithi is growing at a very big rate, and Mugithi is getting international, and also ironania agikuyu mekira handu thi no, because ungiona kundu kumwe gwikagwo show ici you wonder ginya guku agikuyu ni makinyite andu akirima giki tukoragwo giki kia Mount Kenya mario kuu. The video that has raised a lot of reactions right now ni ya Samido akina street in kuria UK na ginya kirite haria akorwo agicangirwo. It has raised a lot of reactions guku online. Agimarauga athire gutucambia kuria UK. Samido is a vibe. Korea outside the country, I love the way Samido akorago represent Kenya and the Mugithi culture and the Mugithi genre. Todo akina hau, his main aim is not kuchangiwa pesa. His main aim is like to spread Mugithi and just to have fun and to entertain people. Egukoro akina Mugithi for quite some time na ku na ria egucoka Kenya niguo riu tukumenya uhoro ria wake wa kuria girigiri kurathi atia, kwa sababu sasa hizi ni kama ona ndrenda kumenya Kenya kurathi na mbere atia, but when it comes you're going to know all that is going to happen. But as at now we hope and pray for him mena Joyce wa Mama na aini acio angi menao makorwo na tour njega ya Mugithi ku UK na US na magirwo ni mahinda. Amen. When Mugithi goes international, Murima is international.
Munasemaje? Leave your moga. Moga